This is the pattern. Copy the size you're interested in. I am using cotton jersey fabric. I have folded one side so the fabric is right sides together. Make sure it's stretchy this way and pin the pieces as you can see here. These pieces should be pinned on the fold. Add 1 centimeter in seam allowance, except at the bottom of the hat. The bottom of the hat will be edged with a ribbon. This shorter side should fit to the front piece of the hat. So I start by pinning that side, right sides together. This longer piece should fit towards the back of the hat. Pin that right sides together, and then you continue on pinning the sides, right sides together, so you get the hat. Sew them together with a stretchy stitch and 1 centimeter in seam allowance. Trim away any excess fabric. And as you can see, I have also sewn the top of the hat. In a different color, you cut strips which should be 3 centimeters wide. The strips should be 75 centimeters and 35 centimeters. In the front of the hat you lay this strap, the shorter strap, right sides together, edge to edge, and you pin it. You need to keep a little bit of tension of the strap so the strap doesn't seem bigger than the hat when you have sewn it. I am using a small zigzag stitch when I sew this, and I sew with 1 centimeter in seam allowance. Fold around your seam allowance and press. Pin it, and then you use a stretchy seam to sew on your strap. On the wrong side, you trim away any excess fabric. Now you do the same with the long strap, but now you locate the center of the strap and the center of the hat, and you start pinning there. There will be strips going out from the hat, and they should also be folded in the same way. You start by sewing on the strap from the outside and then on the hat, and then continue on out on the strap. Measure so you get the same length of the straps, trim them, and then you trim away any excess fabric. Press the hat and then you are finished.